a little bit heavy. Hello. Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So I haven't been on for a while. I couldn't believe it. It's been an entire month. Wow, I know. So where have I been? Right here. Right here. So I found some more yarn. I said in a previous video about the cat blankets that I was running out of yarn. I decided to go through all my yarn again and pick out yarn where I didn't have enough yardage to make a top for myself, unless I made it really lacy. Like say I had 600 yards of something, just put it into a cat blanket. Just do it. So I did that. And I got a few more blankets. So why don't I show you the yarn labels and then tell you how many more I made. I actually did not make all that many in the last little while because I thought I was losing my Crojo. Yeah, I was kind of in a slump. Is that the word? Slump? Funk? A lull? I don't know. I went 6 entire days in a row without crocheting one stitch. And I had no projects started on the go, nothing. Nothing. And for 6 days in a row, I did no crochet. Didn't start a project, nothing. Not even a blanket. Huh? I know. And that was last week. So anyway, I made these over the last 2.5 months. Since I made the last ones I showed you. All right, so let me get the labels in. All right, so last time I showed you, I had made 45 blankets. And that was, I put the video up November 29th, 24. I had used up 64,294 yards, and that was in September, October, and November. So 3 months, I used up 64,000 yards. Did I? According to my notes, I did. Okay. So now, I've slowed down a lot because, well, at first I was saying I didn't have any more yarn that I wanted to use for blankets, and then I just explained all that. So yeah, but I did kind of slow down and not make as many blankets. So this time I used, these are my labels. I don't really want to take them out and show you them, like, and some yarns didn't have labels, and I actually had a blanket that I found that I had, I think it was like half done, so I frogged it, and I used that yarn, and so, but the ones that had labels, this time around, let's see, this is from all of December, all of January, up until today, February 12th, I believe it is, 2025. I used 17,914 yards, which is 16,381 meters. So altogether, grand total, 82,208 yards, and that's 75,171 meters. So, did not use nearly as much as I did the first, what was it, 3 months. Yeah. But that's because I slowed down, and then I did 6 days without crocheting. But anyway, so that's what I have for my labels. This was the labels from before. Okay, before I show you these ones, the hubs and I dropped off a whole bunch at the thrift store here in Winnipeg, Canada, Darcy's Ark. And I mentioned this in all my other videos. There'll be a playlist below of all the cat blankets I made. So I donated a whole bunch to the thrift store. Darcy's Ark is a no-kill animal shelter. They had 2 thrift stores. One of them closed, which was called Darcy's Ark Thrift Store. The other one is called Annie's Attic. And so I dropped a whole bunch. I shouldn't say it was we, me and the hubs, dropped off a whole bunch of blankets at that store. They had told me that I could drop them off at the store and then they'll take them to the shelter, or I can drop them off at the shelter if it's closer to my place. I don't even know where the shelter is. I don't remember. I did look it up online, but I wanted to go to the thrift store to drop them off because I wanted to look around. And what did I buy? Nothing. Nothing. But they have a little cat cafe in there, and sometimes they'll have a cat, or maybe two, I don't know, that people can kind of bond with and see if they want to adopt them. But they had no cats that day. But the cafe has dainties and coffee and whatever. So the hub sat down and had something. Yeah, well, I shopped around. Okay, so let's look at the blankets. All right, oh, so the last one, I made 45. I showed you all those 45. So how many more do we have here? We have a lot. All right, let's take a look, see. And so after I show these to you, I'm gonna wash them. I can fit 10 of these in my washing machine. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Yep, so 66 blankets all together since September. Yes. Whew. I'm hot. But anyway, I said that to my hubby when I first met him. Whew, I'm hot. And he says, and conceited. Hi, little huggles. You want to come see? No? Okay. Yeah, so that's the blankets. I don't think there's anything else to show you right now or tell you, other than everything's good. Everything's good. Like I said, I've just been in a lull, or whatever it's called. Thank you to those who reached out to me. I appreciate that very much. I'll see you guys as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.